okay, okay. Yeah. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today we are going to do a mini unboxing because it's like a mini box and an unbagging on my channel today. I realized when I did the unboxing of the Wayfair cookware and dishes and everything, it never dawned on me like, hey, like, where are my spoons and forks? And then they came like after. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. And I broke a nail the other day at the gym. Well, it was already split, but then it came off. So I was deciding if today, like, I wanted to like get my nails done or unboxing. So anyway, we're just gonna do the Wayfair unboxing. A box and a bag, Wayfair. And I got two silverware sets because it's just like, I think I definitely would need it. Let's see if we need the X-Acto knife or I could just do this. Oh look, I could just do it with my nails. So this is what we got from Wayfair. This first package comes in just like a little brown box. That's why I called it a mini unboxing, because it's a little brown box. And then comes out like that. And then it's just a box that says stainless steel flatware set. So we're gonna open it. So yeah, it says a list right here what it is. It says package list and it says package list and it says 4 salad forks, 4 dinner forks, 4 knives, 4 teaspoons, and 4 dinner spoons. And yeah, and in the back it says seize the day. So anyway, we're just gonna open it. So we open it like this, and they're all wrapped in plastic. So I'm gonna just like take out a set. So if you don't know, like a set of silverware is like 4. So first we have the teaspoon, and it has a curve. It's very beautiful polished silver, and it's very actually thick, and it doesn't have any logos or anything on it. It shines very beautiful. This is like a beautiful teaspoon. And next we have, they call this a dinner spoon, but this is a soup spoon. And I like it because it's also curved, and if you could tell, like the round part of the spoon right here, it's like, it reminds me of a ladle. So this looks like perfect for like soup or cereals, like oatmeal, if you like grits, if you like cream of wheat, if you like farina, like this will be perfect to eat it with in the morning. Yeah, again, no logos, and it's just beautifully polished. Next, we're gonna move on to the salad fork. And again, it's curved, it's nice, it's perfect for a salad, beautiful. And then we have the dinner fork. So in comparison to the salad fork, this is how the salad fork and the spoon, the salad fork and the dinner fork look in size. And it's curved, and it's a nice size, nicely polished for eating your dinner. And last but not least, we have the butter knife, and it's so beautiful. It's like nice weight. It's like beautiful, beautifully polished. And it's like you could see a reflection in it. This is like nice quality. And right here it has like the perforated edge right here for, you know, the butters and cutting things. And it's a little bit sharp. So yeah, so this is how a set looks. A set is one of everything, and I'm gonna show you how that looks. But like I said, in the box came 4 of everything. So 4 soup spoons, 4 teaspoons, 4 dinner forks, 4 butter knives, 4 dinner forks, and 4 salad forks. So look how beautiful this silverware set is. Let me just arrange it how I want it to look. So here you go, this is how the set looks. So first you have your soup spoon, your teaspoon, your butter knife, your dinner fork, your salad fork. Very beautiful. So that's my silver package of silverware. And you know, I'm a little extra, so too of everything. So the next package came with this. And I'm just gonna rip it open. And then inside of here, same thing. It came in the box. But this is different from the others because yes, it has the 4. So yes, it has the 4. It has, you know, it says food grade stainless steel, comfortable in hands, fashionable look, easy to clean. I love it. So we have the second box, looks the same as the first box, but this is different from the first box because, let me just open it. We will start, this time we'll start with the butter knife. And look at how beautiful. They're like gold. And I said to myself, like, if I want to have a dinner party or if I want to have like friends over and make a dinner for them, because like I love cooking, love it. And I was just like, I want something that's a little bit, you know, different from the normal. So here you go. The gold looks like this and the silver looks like this. The silver is definitely heavier and the silver like curves, but then the gold kind of has this curve right here. So a little bit different in the styling, same company. And yeah, how beautiful. Gold. But on the website, they list this as brass. So that's how the butter knife looks. And next we're gonna go to the dinner fork. It looks like this, how beautiful. And on here it says stainless steel. So this is stainless steel, I believe stainless steel brass, the color. So how beautiful. Then we have the teaspoon here. This is a gold teaspoon. And this gold teaspoon is actually, it's larger than the silver teaspoon, the gold teaspoon. So I would say like the gold teaspoon is like perfect for like eating like cereals and stuff. Definitely the silver teaspoon is like for tea and sugar and honey and all that, or maybe if you want to eat a small dessert, but the gold one is bigger. And in comparison, yeah. So the next from the teaspoon, we have gold soup spoon. And instead of just being curved like the soup spoon in the silver set, it has a curve, but it goes back. This curves and like swoops up. This just curves. In comparison, the silver soup spoon is like way bigger as far as like it's like a ladle. I feel like the size is a similar size, just this is round and this comes to a round point. So yeah. And then we skipped over it, so let's get back into it. We have the gold salad fork, and so beautiful. And in comparison to the silver salad fork, They look very similar. The gold one is a little bit bigger, but they're still beautiful. So that's the gold and that's the silver. The gold is a little bit more longer than the silver one. How beautiful. So I'm gonna show you the set of the knife, the dinner fork, the salad fork, the dinner spoon or the soup spoon, and the teaspoon. But before I show you, look, this is supposed to be the soup spoon and this is a teaspoon, but in comparison to the silver, look at the difference. This is a silver, so this soup spoon and this teaspoon large, and this is like small. And these are more close in size of the gold set than the silver set. So I'm going to show you the whole set of the gold. Or they call this on the internet brass, but it's gold, honey. In real life, how this looks and it shines is gold. But on the website, they list it as brass. But look how beautiful this is. It's like so beautiful and luxurious and so shiny, and it looks amazing. Let me arrange it so I could show you. So here you go. This is the silver set and this is a gold set. How beautiful. Again, both of these from Wayfair. How beautiful. Perfect for eating yourself or perfect for a dinner party. Again, in the silver set and in the gold set, there's 4 sets of each. So again, there's 4 in this set and 4 in this set. So this is 5, but you have enough. If you had a dinner party, you have enough for 4 people. So if you have 4 people over and you gave them each 1 set of these, 1 fork, 1 salad fork, 1 butter knife, 1 soup spoon, and 1 teaspoon, you could have 4 people over at a dinner party with each of these sets. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and you could purchase these from Wayfair.com. And I'm just so excited. And yeah, yeah, I'm going to wash all of these, and the brass doesn't chip away or anything like that, so you don't have to be worried about that, because I used this for a week before I actually did this unboxing. And I will say it's a review, and it doesn't stain or anything, and just really beautiful, easy to wash. Let me see if it says dishwasher safe. I mean, it doesn't say dishwasher safe on the box. It just says that this is a 20-piece set. But I actually washed these by hand. So again, like, I used these for a whole week, and nothing is peeling or moving because this is stainless steel wrapped in brass. So you don't have to worry about any imperfections or anything like that. And I hand washed it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and go purchase you some Wayfair silverware and silver and gold. And there's also blacks. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Thank you for watching.